This 2024 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 373 BS13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, auxiliary battery, skylight, external shower, LP detector. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 373 BS13 is 12,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.